5 seconds. Start. Honorable members, space technology plays a central role in improving the lives of the common man, providing early warning of impending disasters, identifying location of natural resources, providing signals to various means of communication, and ensuring national security. It is the endeavor of my government to maximize the use of space technology for human welfare. Several facilities, such as roads, houses for poor, farming, or equipment for fishermen, have all been linked to space technology. Space technology has helped us in further strengthening our security at land, air, and water. Our expertise in accurate weather forecast has improved. This was evidenced during the recent cyclone Fani that struck the eastern coast of the country. Due to accurate information and timely preparation, large scale destruction to life and property was averted. India is marching forward to assume a leadership role in unraveling and comprehending the mysteries of space. Our scientists are involved in the preparations for the launch of Chandrayaan 2, which will be India's first spacecraft to reach the moon. We are also making rapid progress towards achieving the goal of sending the first Indian in India's own Gaganyaan by 2022. During the Lok Sabha elections, the country attained another milestone, which, however, did not receive as much attention as it should have. With the successful testing of Mission Shakti, a new dimension has been added to India's capability in space technology and security preparedness. For this, today, I once again congratulate our scientists and engineers. The role of technology in the field of security is expanding continuously. Keeping this in view, work is in progress to establish three joint service agencies for space, cyber, and special forces. These collaborative efforts will strengthen the security of the country. New India is rapidly moving towards occupying its rightful place in the world community. Today, India has acquired a new image, and our relations with other countries have become stronger. It is a matter of immense pleasure that in 2022, India will host the G20 summit. The world community enthusiastically supported India's proposal to declare June 21st as International Day of Yoga by the United Nations. At present, several programs associated with International Day of Yoga are being organized with great enthusiasm in various countries, of which the most important events was held the 21st June this year at all over the world.